Hey everybody. Okay, so this is tonight's homework. We did most of it in class, so if you were following along, you would be able to see it because all you had left was 5 and 6 and then the 3 on the back because we did everything else. But I'm going to go ahead and start over just in case. If you were absent, I will take pictures of the notes and upload that so that you will have this in conjunction with the worksheet. We were saying that we were going to show 3 times 4 because we're going to multiply our denominators over 7. That equals to 12 sevenths. You can do one of two things on simplifying. You can divide. 7 goes into 12 one time, and I can subtract that out. I'm left with 5 sevenths. So it'll equal to 1 and 5 sevenths. Or you have your 12 sevenths, and I can subtract out using my denominator. 7 over 7 is 1 whole, and this is 5 sevenths. So I'm going to box in all my ones, and so it's going to be 1 and 5 sevenths. So that's going to be up to you. Remember, this is on YouTube, so you can pause, you can rewind, or you can fast forward to the number that you're needing. So you don't have to listen to the whole video if you don't need to. Number 2, it's 3 times 5 over 5. That equals to 15 fifths. 5 goes into 15 3 times because 3 times 5 equals 15. Number 3, 2/3 times 8. So I have 2 times 8 over 3. 2 times 8 equals 16 thirds. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15, and I'm 1 away from 16, and it becomes 5 and 1/3. Number 4, I'm going to bring it down here because I kind of wrote on top of that. 16 times 3 over 4. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 4 48. 4 goes into 4 one time. 4 goes into 8 two times. So the answer is 12. Again, if you need to represent it by taking out one whole, so it'll be 4 fourths, and continue, you'll do that 12 times. Or doing it this way, 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 8 twice. Next one here is 9 times 5 over 6. Let me turn this light on because I don't have my glasses. I left them on the other table. So that's 45 over 6. 6 goes into 45 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42, 43, 44, 45. So I'm 3 away. That's my numerator, and my denominator stays the same. Looking at this one right here, this is an odd number and an even, so I need to ask myself, I'm going to write this out here. 7 and 3, 6. Is 3 divisible by itself? Yes, it is. Is it also, is 6 divided by 3? Yes, it's 2. So it becomes 7 and 1/2. And this last one, 6 times 3 over 8 equals 18 eighths. 8 goes into 18 twice. I'll put it here. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm 17, 18. That's 2 away over 8. They're both even numbers, so I can split those in half. Say if I have 2 cookies and you and I are going to be sharing those, how much do we each get? That's right, we're going to get 1 each. If I have 8 cookies and I wanted to share that between you and me, how many do we get? And there you go. It's 4. So they're both divisible by 2. Okay, the next one, number 10. I'm going to put a question mark on this one here because we're going to find what is the value of this gray box. Let's see if this will do it this time. No. Trying to enlarge it just a bit. Okay, there we go. This gray box. So whatever the numerator, fourths times 8. So I'm going to write it out like this. Something times 8 over 4 equals, I know I'm going to have something over 4 will equal to 2. So in class, we started off with 1. 1 times 8 equals 8 over 8 fourths. 4 goes into 8 twice. So the answer to the gray box is 1. So my numerator is 1. And it's really that simple. Okay, let's look at it again. If you need to, rewind it and look at it again. Here I have what whole number times 5/7 will equal 37. So I know my whole number is going to be multiplied by 5 over my denominator, which is 7. It'll equal 37. So what times 5 equals 30? Absolutely. 6 times 5 equals 30. So the gray box is going to be 6. This next one, if I have 1 times 24 over whatever my numerator is equals 24 over my question mark equals 4. So 4 times what will be 24, or 4 goes into 24 how many times, or what can be divided into 24 to give me 6? So look at all those various ways of asking that question. And what would it be? Very good. 6. 6 goes into 24 4 times, the same as 4 times 6 equals 24, or 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So the answer is 6. All right, let's turn to the next side. And I really thought we had a multi-step problem tonight, and that's my bad. So you guys have it easy tonight. The florist arranges a bouquet with 12 flowers. He decides that 3/4 of the flowers in the bouquet will be carnations. How many carnations do the florist need to complete the bouquet? So I have 3/4 times 12. So it's 3 times 12 over 4. That equals to 36 fourths. So 4 goes into 36 9 times. But it didn't ask me how much did he use. It's asking me, so I can, he's asking me how many carnations will the florist need to complete the bouquet. So 12 minus 9 equals what? 3. So the answer is D. This next one, the average rainfall for each week for the last 4 weeks was 7/12 inch. How much rain fell during the last 4 weeks? Okay, so how many days in a week? 7. 7 times 4 equals 28. So I have 7/12 times, okay, I misread it. I need to find my glasses. I knew that wasn't right. Okay, I just wanted to scratch that. All right, let's read this again. The average rainfall for each week, so it's already not each day, but each week for the last 4 weeks was 7/12. How much rain fell during the last 4 weeks? So it's 7/12 times 4. So that's 7 times 4 over 12. That'll be 28/12. Improper fraction, need to change it to a mixed number. 12 goes into 28 2 times, that's 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. So in case you didn't know, that's there. All right, so now I can change this. 4 can go into itself, or I can keep splitting it. 1 time. Also, 4 goes into 12 3 times. So the answer is going to be 2 1/3. You could have done it where it was 2 2/6 and then 2 1/3. All right, now let's look at this last problem. Eric practiced for his piano recital 3/4 of an hour each day, every day last week. How many hours did Eric practice last week? Okay, now this one, how many days are in a week? 7. So it's 3 times 7 over 4. So it's 21/4, or it goes into 21 5 times, because 4 times 5 equals 20. And I'm 1 away from 21, so it's 5 1/4. And that's it for tonight. There you go, if you can see that now. All right, we will see you tomorrow. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow is makeup assignments day. So, and then the other students will be working on an activity. So I will have updated the names on the board. If you're missing any assignments or need to make any corrections, tomorrow's the day to do it. You guys have a great evening, and see you tomorrow. Don't forget, Friday is early dismissal day. Have a great evening. Bye.